Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, and here in this general list let's scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Languages and tap on System Languages at the top. Here we have to tap on Add a Language, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so we've got plenty of options to choose from. So simply find your language and then tap on it. I will pick Turkish, so just tap on it. It will be immediately applied to this list. However, we can see that the English is still a main language. So now all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Your device will then ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on Change to confirm, and here we've got the Turkish applied at the very top of this list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Again, confirm it, and we've got English applied. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with tapping on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.